This is the Garmin Fenix 10, and Garmin claims it's the ultimate all-in-one smartwatch to handle your hikes, runs, gym days, and even late-night survival mode. After wearing it for a week, though, I fell for a few surprises. Some good, some not so much. Stick around, because what I found might change whether you buy it for that one watch to rule them all dream. Garmin Fenix 10 Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Garmin Fenix 10 is the newest high-end multi-sport GPS smartwatch from Garmin, the continuing evolution of their legendary Fenix line, first launched back in 2012. It's designed for people who live on the move: hikers, trail runners, weekend warriors, fitness enthusiasts, basically anyone who wants a rugged smartwatch capable of tracking serious activity across outdoors and daily life. Garmin markets it as the do-everything tool: GPS navigation, health metrics, training data, phone-free music and calls, even navigation maps. The idea is simple. You wear it instead of juggling a phone, a fitness tracker, and a hiking GPS. Garmin Fenix 10 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform day to day? I wore the Fenix 10 through runs, hikes, strength training sessions, and even regular daily wear, and I was genuinely impressed by how solid it felt under pressure. GPS locking was snappy, and even in tree-dense trails or mixed urban-suburban areas, the watch kept tracking reliably. Switching activities, say from a run to a hike to a gym workout, felt almost instantaneous, which for a watch packing this many sensors and functions is a big win. On longer hikes, 5+ hours, the watch stayed under control. I didn't get every official max battery life hour, but it consistently got me through full-day hikes or multi-hour workout sessions without begging for a charger, unlike many smartwatches that die halfway through a weekend adventure. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes the Fenix 10 stand out and why you might actually care. Full GPS plus multi-satellite tracking, or GNSS, it nails location tracking even when you stray off-grid. For hikers, bikers, or anyone doing long outdoor workouts, this means accurate maps, dependable route tracking, and no lost trail surprises. Advanced fitness and health tracking, heart rate, VO2 max estimation, sleep and recovery tracking, activity profiles for tons of sports, Garmin continues to deliver on the "I want everything tracked" dream. For gym rats, weekend warriors, and outdoor junkies, that depth gives serious insight. Offline music, calls, and notifications on your wrist. You no longer need your phone glued to your arm 24/7. Garmin Fenix 10 lets you see texts, calls, notifications, and even handle calls right from your wrist. Real benefit for busy days or workouts when digging out your phone feels cumbersome. Design and build. The Fenix 10 feels like a premium tool, not a toy. The case has a solid, weighty heft that gives confidence this is a device built for scars, sweat, falls, and outdoor abuse. The bezel, buttons, and lens materials all feel durable. It doesn't feel flimsy or delicate. You get that wear-it-and-forget-it ruggedness. The screen is sharp and easy to read, even outdoors. Sunlight doesn't kill it, a major plus if you hike or run often. On-wrist comfort is pretty good for a watch this size. It's noticeable, yes, but balanced, and doesn't dig into the wrist during long wear, though if you have smaller wrists, you might feel the bulk. Aesthetically, it's utilitarian. Not flashy, but classy in a rugged I-go-to-mountains kind of way. For a watch meant to work hard, the design hits all the right notes. Pros: excellent GPS tracking and reliable satellite positioning for outdoors and workouts. Robust fitness and health tracking, heart rate, VO2 max, activity variety, recovery, etc. Offline music, call, and notification management, and phone-free convenience. Cons: bulkier and heavier than typical everyday watches, not ideal for small wrists or minimalist wear. Battery life under heavy use, GPS plus all sensors plus always-on display, drains noticeably faster. Final verdict. Look, if you're someone who runs, hikes, bikes, lifts, explores, and wants a watch that keeps up without switching devices, the Garmin Fenix 10 is a powerhouse. It's not cheap, it's not small, and it's not for everyone, but for athletes, outdoors people, or anyone who treats their wristwatch like a real tool, it absolutely makes sense. If you're mostly doing casual daily workouts or want a sleek everyday smartwatch, something lighter, cheaper, and more minimalist might be a better fit. But if you're serious about training, exploring, or ditching redundant gear, phone plus tracker plus watch plus GPS, this is as close to a one watch for everything as you can get right now.